Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1973 Dodge Challenger. This blue with the metallic sparkles is gorgeous in the sun. Body looks great. Vinyl top is in excellent condition. As I'm walking around, if you haven't already, go to click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime JR or myself does a video. And then when we're done with this, go on over to volocars.com where you get to see the 100 or so beautiful pictures of this fine machine, along with the write-up and the pricing and everything else. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, now the purpose of these videos is for the potential buyer to get a little more insight before making the purchase. So if you want all the other details and everything onto it, go on over to volocars.com, like I said, to check out Jay's video as well on the turntable. Interior looks great. Door works with these. Has seat belts. Oh, awesome, let's start it up. Starts right up. Had the fan going on the way down the parking lot here. It's definitely working. All right, you have your gauges up here, speedometer, tachometer, all your indicators, even the clock's working. That's fantastic. Let's see if the radio works.
Because of the
radio works and everything. So, all right, this is the first time myself or anyone in the shop has been able to take it on the road, so we're going to start off kind of getting a feel for it, and later on in the video, we'll open it up, see what she does. Steers real easy. Brakes are responsive. These seats are really comfortable. This interior, I'm not finding anything wrong with it. Sounds great, shifts great. See, drives nice and straight. What a beautiful car. This one you can take to your local shows and just blow everyone away. And I'd be happy driving it around town all day as well. Brake stop straight. Take it over this bumpy road, see what it sounds like. Sounds good. Feels like a nice, solid, tight car. The accelerator is responsive too. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of play in it. This one, it's the moment you start going down, it starts going. Speedometer's working. I like this. I love looking out over this hood. All right, we'll get on a little bit here, then on the second pass. Once I get comfortable, I'll go a little more. That sucks you back into the seat a little there. Sounds really nice going through those gears too. No real clicking or shaking. It's not much of it at all. Nice, made that turnaround. Let's go manually through the gears, see how it does. Oh, that's real nice. And you can light up the tires if you want to a little. Well, I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and head on over to volocars.com for getting more pictures, all the information you need to know about what's under the hood. Get a picture of the undercarriage there, and then give sales a call because these cars are moving quick. As always, I appreciate you.